Injective has pumped more than 90%. Are you too late to get into Injective today? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you should consider investing in Injective. No financial advice, of course. I'm just sharing with you what it is I'm doing because I'm stacking my bags like Santa Claus, especially at these still incredibly beautiful discounts. Guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Kiara DeCass, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about none other than Injective. Okay, so rank 43, we know its symbol. It's got a beautiful name, Injective. INJ is the symbol or the ticker. Guys, it's starting to rain out here in Jersey Town for the first time in a very, very long time. So hopefully we're getting some goodness right here, right now. We really need it. So thank you very much as I'm doing this video for you guys right now. So $14.11, up 5.8% against USDT, 5.1% against BTC, 5.6% against Ethereum, on 86,000 people's watch lists for market cap of, call it $1.2 billion, trading volume of $78 million, guys. That's amazing. And fully diluted market cap of 1.4. The circulating supply is 83,755,555. And the total and maximum supply is 100 million of these coins. So that's 5 times more than Bitcoin, basically. Okay. Now, bearing that in mind, guys, Injective has made this crazy pump out here. It's broken right out through this level, but it is coming into some resistance up here at the $14, $15 level. So we are going to have a look at where we're at right now. With an all-time high of just under $25, we're now 44% below that. And from the all-time low, we are up 2,039%, which was 3 years ago, guys. If you want to get Injective, make sure to use my Bybit link down in the comments pinned below for you guys so that you guys can get Injective with me. And then I'm going to show you where to put it on the Injective website so that you guys can stake for some passive income rewards. And I'll show you how much that will be in a short little moment. All right, guys, let's not waste any more time on that. The blockchain. What is Injective? So the blockchain is built for finance. Build and use the best Web3 applications on Injective, the fastest layer 1 blockchain shaping the future of finance. It's shaping the future of finance. Shaping the future of finance. So as you guys can see, there's oracles, order books, options, savings, derivatives, lending, smart contracts, and so much more within the ecosystem. They are backed by the best: Binance, Pantera, Jump, and Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban is a billionaire investor, and he has heavily invested into this project because there's, of course, lots of fundamentals. So forget what I'm saying to you guys on this video. I'm just showing you all the fundamentals and some charts and that kind of stuff on YouTube. I'm just a YouTuber at the moment showing you these things, but I am investing. And if you guys don't think that it's a good idea, well, then follow the billionaires. And they say follow the money. Okay, there is the money right here. So is Pantera, and so is Binance. Binance is the biggest exchange in the world, guys. These are four of the biggest names in the crypto business, undoubtedly so, guys. Some of the biggest. This one is one of the biggest. So there have been 49,633 blocks produced. On-chain transactions are nearing 311,500,000. Block time is 0.8 seconds. Average cost per transaction, 0.01. Very, very cheap, neat, and affordable. Creating the best in-class financial applications. So revolutionizing smart contracts, pioneering interoperability, which is one of the most needed things to be solved in crypto. And then crypto DeFi solutions, formidable security, which is incredible. This is what we are looking for. So you can discover the ecosystem. These are the featured apps: Helix, Hydro, Mito, Neptune, so much more. You can check the institutions: BH, Coinbase, Copper, Cumberland, Jump. The blockchains are BNB, Cosmos, ETH, Polygon, Solana, and more. Exchanges are BH, Binance, BNB, Chorus, Coinbase. Validators are all of these guys. The wallets are all of these: Ledger, MetaMask, Ninja, so on and so forth, guys. So incredible. I mean, look at the featured dApps here: Helix, Mito, Black Panther, which is an asset manager; Talis is NFT marketplace; Mito is DeFi protocol; and Helix is order book exchange. So how you can get started with Injective, we all know you can come and create an Injective wallet, get Injective, explore the Injective hub, and bridge your assets so that you guys can come ahead and stake. Now, what is the most fundamental thing that I'm going to show you about in Injective? Well, first of all, this is annual gas savings of $239 million, okay, which is Injective, governed by a global community through its NATO crypto asset Injective. You can get Injective, come and stake it, and basically you can stake it for up to, we'll talk about that in a moment. But basically, you guys can see that they are burning Injective. 5.77 million Injective have already been burned, and that's why the circulating supply is looking like that. So this is diminishing supply. Demand is increasing, as we'll have a look in a little moment, and price is going to pump out of this world. So if you guys want to follow their social media, go check them out over there. They have lots and lots of stuff to share with you. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and get an Injective wallet through the Injective hub, you can connect, get an Injective wallet, come ahead and stake, and you guys can stake and earn yourselves up to 16.6% on Injective, guys. That's mad. Now, 44,233 of the 83 million, so that's 50% of the total supply of Injective have been staked, just by the way, okay? And I'm telling you right now that it ain't going to go anywhere else until there is a point where we have reached the end of the bull cycle, and that's when people will probably unstake, take a bit of profit, sell out. We might see the price fall down a little bit. That's okay. This is the Injective ecosystem. So I've showed you guys these guys already. You can explore the ecosystem. They are heavily involved with Cosmos Eco. And we'll have a look at that in a little moment. But as you guys can see here, on the press side of things, Injective, DEX, decentralized exchange, Helix debuts pre-launch featuring futures for unlisted tokens. Then you have a whole lot more with Celestia. Then you have Injective launches Layer 2 testnet for Solana-based apps in Cosmos. Injective tests EVM Layer 2 support Ethereum applications. Cosmos, guys, they are heavily affiliated with Cosmos. I'm going to show you a short video from Injective in a little moment, and hopefully that will get you more involved, guys. This is their Twitter page. As you guys can see, the fastest layer 1 blockchain for finance, backed by Binance, Pantera, and Mark Cuban. Okay, they have got more than 400,000 followers, and this is the most recent little bit of news that you guys need to be aware of. This was from 5 days ago. So introducing, let's just have a look at it here. And make sure, okay, all right. So there you go. So introducing Injective Nexus. Injective's official data integration and availability on Google Cloud. Now core chain from data Injective networks will be accessible in BigQuery through the Analytics Hub, Google Cloud's exclusive data sharing platform. That is incredible news, guys. And if you want to go and have a look, well, what is this? The integration between Injective and Google Cloud BigQuery will enable developers and businesses to 1. Access and analyze real-time Injective chain data such as order book, transaction, and market data. 2. Build custom data pipelines to integrative Injective data with other data sources like Google Cloud or BigQuery. 3. Use Injective data to improve the performance and security of existing DeFi applications. Oh, epic! Number 4. Develop new DeFi applications and services that leverage Injective data. Guys, I'm sure I'm showing you some crazy stuff. I mean, this has got partners with Injective, with Google Cloud, with Cosmos, with ETH, with Pantera, Binance. Guys, this is huge. And as I said, they're burning. So this is the duality of Injective. You're saving gas fees, but you're also burning while you're saving those gas fees. Now, I want to have a look at what the financial capitalization of domestic companies that are listed on the stock exchanges worldwide from July 2013 to 23. Okay, so the peak was up here at 121. We're already like a few trillion just away from there, 9 trillion away from there, guys. Do you think we're going to sit down here? No, you can see that the general trend of this is up. Okay, the general trend of this is up, and if you had to have a line graph, you'd see that this probably come down ever so slightly. So we are definitely on the way up, and Market capitalization, this is in trillions, $112 trillion, okay, in trillions of US dollars. Now, that is just domestic companies that are listed on stock exchanges worldwide, okay. Now, let's go and have a look at the injective chart. This week's candle has literally pumped 54.54%. Okay. So if you guys don't feel as though we've broken out of that level right over there, then I don't know what you're missing out on, because we've already broken out of that level over there. We have now come into some resistance, though, at this level. As you guys can see, is a lot of resistance. We're meeting that level of resistance over there too, plus this upsloping trend, plus the declination of volume. Although recently, the past 2 weeks, we've had increase of volume, which is telling us very strong buying pressure is coming into this beautiful injective protocol project, okay? With a W pattern that's forming on the RSI, we're coming up to the top of the RSI, so it's a bit overheated. So I wouldn't be surprised if we had some sort of rejection here, pulled back to the breakout level over here, okay, and found some support here before continuing the rally, making a new higher low from all of those lows, making a new higher low over there, back down at around $10 to $11 at this point, which you can see will line very nicely with that bottom end of all of that over there. Now, let us remove all the squigglies that I've just drawn for you so that you have clarity on the chart. Okay, down, retest, buy. That will be your last opportunity to buy injective down at this low, which will maybe give you another 25-30% rejection off of the current level. That is a high possibility, considering we have had many rejections off of this level before, and we only managed to get through this level once, but it almost seemingly so was a fake out. So it's a very strong level of resistance. We have got volume increasing, which is telling us we are very, very bullish. However, I want to go and show you an injective video that will make sure that you know that we are very bullish on this project.
Welcome to Injective, the first sector-specific blockchain built for finance. Injective is a powerful platform to build, launch, and use best-in-class Web3 protocols with custom plug-and-play financial modules, lightning-fast transaction and block times, zero gas fees, and a highly secure proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Injective is the only MEV-resistant Layer 1 that makes it easier than ever to create advanced Web3 finance apps. Native to the Cosmos ecosystem, Injective is also uniquely integrated with some of the leading blockchains in the industry, including Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon, making Injective a highly interoperable network. And with the first ever automatic smart contract environment, any developer can create projects within an integrated and dynamic ecosystem. Build the future with Injective, the only blockchain built for finance.
Damn, guys, I don't know about you, but if you're watching this video and you just saw what I showed you on Injective, okay, you do not want to be missing out on the opportunity. Even if you buy at this level right here, you are buying this coin cheap as chips, okay? This is going to explode. Now, guys, I have said to you, this is $112 trillion market cap. If it starts coming in, when it starts, not if, when. BlackRock undoubtedly is going to be investing into this coin once once they get their Bitcoin ETF out the way. They are undoubtedly going to start looking at coins like this, guys. This is future of finance, and if BlackRock is missing out on that massive opportunity to miss out on a project like this, you best your bets, Boots, they won't. Okay, so currently, if we had to say we were going to look at a $200 trillion market cap, okay, for for the entire crypto space, which I believe will probably even be even more, and we're only going to times this by the current market cap dominance of 0.09%, okay, that'll give us a $180 billion market cap for Injective as a potential. Now, I'm not saying that's going to hit that in the next bull cycle. Don't get me wrong. I think this coin could probably hit $150 in the next bull cycle, which may give us a 10x from where we are. Maybe. Well, actually, if we were to hit a 10x from where we are now, that would give us a $10 billion market, maybe a $15 billion market cap. So that's pretty decent, right? Now, if we had to take that and divide this by the $1.176 billion market cap that we currently have today, that'll give us 153x on this coin. And this coin at today's current price of $14.07 times 153 will give us a $2,153 coin. Isn't that interesting that it's 153 and a 153x? Very, very beautiful. I like the synchronicities of this coin, guys. And if you want to know more about this coin, hit me in the comments down below. If you want to trade it with me, hit my Bybit link down below, my Bitflex link down below, and you guys can come ahead and trade this with me and make some insane gains, guys. Because if you're investing in $14 and you're for one coin and you're selling that for $2,153 a coin later on in the future, maybe more, maybe less, who knows? I don't know. None of us actually know. Okay, that is a massive, massive 15,300% gain on your money, guys. I'm pretty sure you're not going to get that in a lot of places other than in the crypto space. Now, the last thing I want to show you before I go is how to become a millionaire. So essentially, if we were to if we were to say 2,153, so a million coins, $1 million divided by $2,153, that means we will need approximately 464 coins at today's price of 400. I'm just going to write 465 coins. Sorry, other way around, 465. That'll cost us approximately $6,500 to become a millionaire with Injective, guys. Wow, that is pretty darn cheap. How much Injective do you guys own? What are your bags? My personal bags accumulation for Injective will be 5,000 coins for Injective. 5,000 coins will cost me about $7,000. And essentially what I will be looking for is to sell parts up along the way. So may not get me all the way to the million, but if you were to sell all of your coins right at the top and majorly hit that, you would get $1 million, guys. I would like to know what your personal accumulation goals are down in the comments below. And if you guys want to trade this with me, hit my links down below. Thank you for being here with me, my special, blessed, beautiful souls. And I truly appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday with your family. Much love.